Welcome back to Charge Up in 1 minute. You may have noticed that today's background is a bit different. We are in Lyon, France, but you must be wondering why France and why Lyon. France is a leader in charging system development in Europe. By 2024, nearly 137,000 charging stations are available for public EV owners across the country. In the first 9 months of 2024, France led all European countries in deploying public EV charging stations, adding more than any other nation. Lyon, as an important transportation hub and economic center, has been particularly proactive in building charging systems. The city government plans to convert all buses to electric or hybrid vehicles by 2013, with the necessary charging facilities to support them. Look, even here in the suburbs of Lyon, you can see our chargers were surrounded by fields. Right now, we're at a highway charging station in France. You can see how our chargers perform in real-world applications. This set is equipped with 2 sets of our 480 kilowatt DC chargers paired with 4 dual-port dispensers, allowing up to 8 vehicles to charge simultaneously. Some stores can deliver a maximum output of 300 kilowatts, making them suitable for high-power and low-power vehicle models. This setup wasn't chosen at random. It aligns closely with the core of EU charging infrastructure policy, specifically the alternative fuel infrastructure regulation under the Fit for 55 package, which came into effect last year. The regulation mandates that starting in 2025, high-power charging stations of 150 kilowatts and above must be widely deployed along the European highway network to ensure rapid energy replenishment for EV users. That's why we opted for high-power chargers. Based on transformer capacity, we installed 2 480 kilowatt DC chargers, bringing the total power to 960 kilowatts, a setup that fully complies with the regulatory requirements. But why distributed chargers? The key reason is to tackle the long-standing issues of traditional high-power charging. Whether for long-distance travel or regional commuting, drivers expect to recharge within an hour. However, conventional low-power integrated chargers often lack dynamic power allocation. They can't adequately support high-power vehicles, leading to low station utilization. From my own on-site experience, the advantages of the distributed chargers can be summarized in 3 keywords: fast, convenient, and efficient. First, fast charging. Take a look at this 350 amp high current dispenser. A single port can deliver up to 480 kilowatts, enabling a charge that adds 200 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes, and a full charge in half an hour, twice as fast as the integrated chargers. Second, convenient experience. I tried starting the charge with a simple card tap. As soon as I placed the card near the sensor, it beeped and began charging instantly. No app connection or password input required. I also noticed the station has 2 accessible charging stores specifically designed for users with disabilities, broadening inclusivity. Third, higher efficiency and profitability. With the support for 8 vehicles charging at once and the intelligent power distribution that minimizes waste. That said, EV charging isn't limited to highways. The AFIR regulation also highlights the need to build stations at strategic locations like retail stores and parking facilities. So, what are the specific scenarios and demands in this context, and how should operators choose the right equipment for optimal performance? In our next episode, we'll break down these key scenarios. Stay tuned.